It's time for a mock question breakdown, and here's your question. First, pause your screen, read the question, come up with what you think the answer is, and when you're ready for the breakdown, press play. Let's break it down. Okay, so the question reads, a BCBA writes a detailed operational definition of on-task and off-task behavior and trains her staff to use a discontinuous measurement procedure for both behaviors. Which goal of behavior analysis does this best represent? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is look at that last sentence first, which tells me what I'm looking for, which is a goal of behavior analysis. That's important for me to note because I can possibly eliminate some of the answer options that don't fall under that umbrella. Now, I know that the acronym for goals of behavior analysis is DPC, description, prediction, and control. Now, I see an answer option here that is not one of those three things, so I'm going to get rid of it. Empiricism is not part of it. Goodbye, empiricism. Now, I did give myself better chances now, right? Because I've narrowed down my answer options, but I still need some more information. So I'm going to go back in and look for some other keywords. And immediately what I see is detailed operational definition, and I see discontinuous measurement. All right. And now that I know that, I'm going to go through my answer options. So is it A, control? I don't think so, because control is about establishing functional relations. And that means that you've got to manipulate variables to see their effects on the dependent variable. And there's nothing like that going on here. Nothing's being manipulated. We're just operationally defining a behavior and then systematically measuring it. No control is being established here, which is great. I can confidently cross out control. Next, we have option B, prediction. Well, prediction means that we are looking for two events happening at the same time so that we can make a hypothesis about a causal relationship. But here, we don't have any predictive information. We don't have two events that are occurring at the same time. Again, we've just got that operational definition, which is just information, and we've got that systematic measurement. So I'm going to confidently cross out prediction as well. Now, this seems kind of easy. Like now I've got one left. Should I just click that box? I would warn you not to do that. When you have eliminated all the answer options and you're left with just the one, what I would do is just make sure that that last man standing or last answer option standing is actually correct. Because if not, you might discover that you've made a mistake in one of your earlier assessments. So let's think about this. Description. Well, what is description? I'm pretty sure it means describing a behavior or describing observed events. Sounds kind of like a detailed operational definition. And it also sounds like measurement could be important here, like systematic measurement. It does not involve looking at two events occurring at the same time. It does not involve looking for a functional relation by manipulating variables. So description feels very correct. And so I am confident in choosing option C. There you go. I hope that helps.